All right, let's talk about branched chain amino acids and essential amino acids. So amino acids are building blocks of proteins, so they help build and repair muscle tissue. There are 3 BCAAs: leucine, isoleucine, and valine. And there are 9 essential amino acids, which I'll list up here. The BCAAs, or branched chain amino acids, can be found in protein-rich foods. For example, egg whites are very high in leucine. EAAs, or essential amino acids, are a little bit harder to get through your diet, so that's when supplementation becomes a little more necessary. BCAAs are really good for muscle maintenance. A really good way to use them is if you're going into a workout fasted without food on your stomach. It just gives your body a little more to work with while you're working out. Essential amino acids are going to be a little better for building muscle, just because there's 9 other amino acids you're including. A lot of the time, I will recommend BCAAs or EAAs to those on a vegan diet or to people who just can't seem to get enough protein in just because they don't like those types of food. So they're good to include to get enough amino acids in throughout the day and help you build more muscle.